Good morning, students. Myself, Sranita Claudette from Anjala Vidyaniketan Kodige. I hope all are keeping fine. Welcome to 4th Standard English class. Today, in this class, let us see more about good hobbies. I'm sure you remember about the hobbies that we have seen in the previous poem. Okay, follow the reader, page 74, as I read. Good hobbies. There lived a cute boy at Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. He was born on November 7th, 1888. He was very clever and smart. He was good in his studies and had good hobbies too. He loved to swim in the village pond for hours. He had so many friends to play with. They loved flying kites. They used to make colorful kites. The boy was always busy. When he had no work, he used to go for a long walk. He loved to watch the beauty of nature. He was very curious about everything around him. Okay, students, here this boy who was born on November 7th in Tiruchirappalli, he was very clever and very smart boy. He was very good in studies and he had some hobbies too. Which are the hobbies he had? Swimming and flying the kite, and he used to go for long walk and he used to watch the beauty of the nature. He was very curious to know what is going on around him. What is the meaning of curious? Curious means very much interested to know something. Okay. Along with his friends, he used to go for walk or he used to go to fly the kites. As some of you like to fly the kites. Okay, follow the reader. The boy waited for evening every day because it was time to listen to stories from his father. Many village people used to come to his father to listen to the stories of Ramayana and Mahabharata and other stories. The father also used to play on the veena and violin. The boy enjoyed the sweet music. He was so curious to know everything. So the boy's father used to tell stories in the evening. Along with this boy and so many other people used to come to listen to his father about Mahabharata and Ramayana and other stories he used to tell. And his father also used to play veena and violin. These are the musical instrument. So everybody likes to listen to his father. Follow the textbook. The boy was very intelligent and disciplined. All the teachers loved him and advised him to read good books. The boy started to read books on science and nature. His interest in science grew day by day. Physics became his favorite subject. These good hobbies helped him to work hard to find new things. Okay, this boy was very intelligent and disciplined. He was very clever and he is also a very good boy and he was much disciplined in the class. So everybody liked him and teachers asked him or advised him to read some books. Students, when we read books, we gain knowledge. That's why this boy was reading many books. He read the books which were written about science or about nature, and he started showing more interest towards science, especially on physics. Actually, physics is a part of science. How you have EVS, so later on when you come to higher classes, that EVS subject is divided into two as science and social. Then later in science you have different divisions. So physics is one of the division in science. So he showed more interest on physics and he started working hard. Okay, we'll continue. With his hard work, he became famous scientist and got the Nobel Prize in 1930. Do you know who this boy was? It was Sir C.V. Raman. He invented his theory on light, popularly known as Raman effect. Okay, students, later on, as he studied in higher classes and in higher education, he showed more interest on science and especially on physics, and he started inventing something new. That's how he invented the theory on light, and he became a very famous scientist. For his works, he has been awarded with the Nobel Prize in 1930. So this famous man is none other than Sir C.V. Raman, who invented the theory on light, which is known as Raman effect. Students, about Raman effects you will study in your high school. So I hope you have understood this lesson. See here, he had many good habits which made him to be famous, to have success in life. Yes, students, we too need to have some good hobbies or habits which will make us to have success in life. I hope you have understood this lesson. Here are some new words. Students, learn this meaning and the spellings and use them in your conversation. Thank you. Have a blessed day.